Does watering concrete stop it from cracking? Like, no, 99.9% of the time, but yeah, kind of a tiny little bit of the time. So how this works is you might have heard, I need to water the concrete, or concrete needs to be watered so it doesn't crack. And basically this all boils down to the initial installation and curing time of concrete. Concrete starts as a liquid, we place it and we finish it, and it begins a 28-day curing process by which it gains strength slowly over a long period of time. The initial few days is the most important. Concrete curing to full strength might take 28 days, but the vast majority of your strength increases come early on after the concrete's been placed and finished. Basically, it's front end loaded for strength improvements versus time. So where the water comes into this is water is needed by the cement in order to undergo the chemical actuation process that hardens this cement into concrete. When initially placed and finished, there's obviously water which has been added to the cement, sand, and gravel in order to make this concrete. But through evaporation and through the chemical actuation process of the cement itself, that water can become used up. And in doing so, the concrete shrinks. That's why concrete cracks. So we know that the concrete is going to shrink. It's been designed to absorb the forces that the concrete is going to be exposed to. However, it's designed to be exposed to those forces once it's appreciably strong. If you prematurely expose concrete to the finished stresses that it's going to be exposed to, it can crack extensively. Making sure that your concrete has all of the water that it needs for the hardening process is very, very important. It's very front-end loaded, and in that technical capacity, watering your concrete can, could, and would stop your concrete from cracking. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you're going to learn a ton about how to work with concrete.